Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to grow wheatgrass at home for decoration. Soak 1/4 cup of seeds for 8 hours, drain well, and spread seeds evenly over a shallow tray with 1:1. 5 inches of damp soil or a growing mat. Cover lightly to retain humidity and keep trays in a warm spot with indirect light. Mist twice daily and check for rooting. Rotate trays for even growth. Place trays near a bright window with indirect sun and aim for 4 to 6 hours of light daily to keep blades lively and green. Mist the wheatgrass twice a day, avoiding puddles that invite mold, and ensure good airflow around trays. When shoots reach about 1.5 to 2 inches, move trays slightly closer to light to encourage upright growth and thicker stems for a cleaner decorative look. Cut wheatgrass when blades reach 6 to 7 inches using sharp scissors and trim cleanly above the soil to preserve the root mat if you plan regrowth. For decorative use, arrange clumps in shallow ceramic dishes or glass vases and trim edges for a tidy appearance. Rotate trays so you have fresh shoots every 2 to 3 weeks and refresh soil between cycles to prevent nutrient depletion and maintain a healthy, attractive display.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.